Yeah, so today lessons I'm gonna teach you guys on how to do this. So today topic is making pear pepper craft. Before that, let me share you guys our learning objective for these lessons. At the end of the lessons, student will be able to create the fruit pepper craft. Students will be able to cut the shapes of the fruit. Students will be able to draw and color their favorite food gems. Students will be able to label their own favorite food gems. So let's moving on to our step to success. It's very simple. Just follow the video demonstrations on making pear using paper. So for today's lesson, you need 3 pieces of paper, scissors, pencils, glue, and marker pen. So first of all, get a green pepper, fold it into half. And fold it again into another half. Now you guys draw the pear, half of the pear first. Now get a yellow pepper. Cut it half. Now stick the pear like this. Now it's time to make the inside of the apple. You have to make 3 for 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Now draw the stick. Now it's time to draw the seed. Now the last part is to make the leaf. So use the leftover green pepper to make your leaf.